Okay, then let's start the translations. Number 1. What the number 1 I told?
Number 1 is कल तुम कहाँ गई थी?
कल तुम कहाँ गई थी? What will be the answer?
Then the answer is where did you went yesterday?
Karan, where did you go? Where did you go yesterday? Because went it will come in did. So verb will be present tense. Where did you go?
Okay.
Next one
is रूपा से कहना कि आज मैं उसके घर आऊंगी. The answer is tell Rupa that I will come to her house today.
It's correct. Correct answer. Next
one is राज और परिधा दोनों एक दूसरे से झगड़ा करते हैं. The answer is Raj and Paridha quarrel with each other.
Both. Raj and Paridha both.
Okay, ma'am. Raj and Paridha both quarrel with each other.
Very good. Next.
Fourth is नींबू पानी गर्मी के मौसम में शरीर को अच्छा रखता है. The answer is lemonade is good for the body in summer season.
You can write lemon juice also. This was
okay.
Correct. Okay, next.
Fifth one is तुम जो कहोगी मैं वो करूँगा. Answer is anything you can tell I will do it.
It is what you say I will do it. What you say or what you will say I will do it. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Next
one is आपसे तो कुछ छुपाया नहीं जाता. Answer is nothing can be hidden from you.
Nothing can be hidden from you. That means from you, no? That means he is telling everything. Nothing comes hidden in his throat. So this answer will be nothing can be hidden by you.
Okay, ma'am.
Next.
Next is राधिका और राधा शाम से एक ही गाना गा रहे थे. Answer is Radhika and Radha was singing only one song since evening.
Had been singing.
Okay. Radha and Radhika had been singing only one song since evening. Next one is अगर तुम मुझे कहती तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए यह तोहफा जरूर लाता. The answer is if you had told me I would have bought you this gift.
Very good.
Second last one is रास्ता तो मैं second last one is रास्ता तो है पर पता नहीं कहाँ से शुरू करूं. The answer is there is a way but I don't know where to start.
There are ways. There is a way. You can write it is also correct, no problem. But I don't know from where.
From where, ma'am? But I wrote where. Is it not correct?
Where to start? Okay, no problem.
Okay, ma'am. So the last one is मेरे पास एक ही कलम है मैं तुम्हें कैसे दे दूं. Its answer is I have only one pen. I have only one pen. 2 minutes and 2 minutes. I could tell you. Yeah, ma'am. The answer is I have only one pen. How can I give it to you?
Yes, correct. Correct. Next.
Yeah, ma'am. They are only 10.
Okay. Very good. Nice. All of the translations were 80% or 90% you have made correct. Very good, boy.